It's our fresh feces. It was here not too long ago, and you know, they're still warm. It's very close by. Yeah, pick it up, put it here. We want to take a sample of that. Put it here. There's something in his diet that is killing him. You know, that feces with blood. That's not good. You know, any animal that has blood on their feces, it's not doing too well. My name is Wilhelm von Ramstein. I'm probably the best hunter in the world. At least, you know, best hunter under 40. Best hunter in Europe, at least the northern part of Europe. Sweden, I'm the best hunter in Sweden, in the Sächsjö, Sweden. I've been hunting since I was 10. You know, my father was one of the greatest hunters. He got mauled by a grizzly bear once, and I was there. I saw the bear tear my father to pieces, and then I grabbed the gun out of my dead father's hand and I shot the bear. And since that day I've been hunting, you know. I'm credited with being the man who killed the last rhino, the last white rhino, but I don't feel too bad because, you know, it was the last one. It didn't have another white rhino to reproduce, so I don't really care about it. I think I did him a favor.
Fuck!
He's gone!
He's gone! Where the fuck were you?
I was looking for your bear cat. I was looking for your bear cat.
You got lost, man!
Listen, man. We got to stick together right now. Alright, band of brothers. Who knows what that monster's doing right now? How many park rangers, animals, coyotes he's violated? We got a job to do. I say bring him on.
I say that's rubbish, man. Let's split. We'll spread out. We'll get him. That's what we're gonna do.
That seems to work.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. No. That's what happens when you fuck with Bearcat. It's some good meat. Yeah. One down, one go. I'm not afraid of you! I'm gonna get you! Show yourself! Ugh. Ah, look out there! Look out there, man! Motherfucker! Motherfucker! It's just you and me, man. It's just you and me. No. Ah! Please! Stop! Teach you to mess with Bearcat. This calls for a Bearcat victory dance.
Only child.